So I've been wanting to make this video for a really long time and we're finally doing it. So I ordered this phone and it's so cute. Alright, so I'll be doing a review video of this phone. I couldn't do the unboxing because I already unboxed it. So I got this flip phone, which is ZTEL Mehbooba, if you can see that, in green, and I made the charm myself. This is from a lock kit and I made this one myself. So let's get into it. But obviously, did I mention that this is basically a copy of another phone which was, I don't know, it was called iFlip, I think. I will mention the other model. So this is a copy of that in Pakistan, and this is what it looks like. And I've been using it for around 3 days now, and so this is what it's like. As for, I think I should show you the box and what it says on the box, right? Alright, so this is the box and it comes in, honestly, it says more colors, but that's just because it's a copy of another phone. And the colors that you will get, or actually never mind, I don't even know, but like usually you will find these colors: golden, purple and green, and sometimes blue. I don't know about black, but yeah, so this is what it looks like. And on the back of the box you can see everything. But basically it says somewhere over here that there's internet as well, but yeah, so there are like no headphones jack. And yep, it says Bluetooth support, but honestly I didn't find any Bluetooth. Maybe I need to check again. And it says 32 MBs, but I don't know, you can only take like 2 photos. So the battery is built in, by the way. Alright, so the box came with this, and there was that charger thing, and this as well, this thing, and a manual and stuff, and this. Anyway, let's get to the phone. There were some stickers on it as well, which I actually took off. So this is what it looks like. The battery is built in. I made this myself, by the way. Alright. So let me power it off and then alright, let's go to the menu. There's call center, contacts. So So there are some contacts already saved, which is nice. All right, so there are SMS templates as well. Pretty similar to the phones we had back in the day. This is the camera. And you can switch it to video as well. But I don't have an SD card right now, so I cannot really make a video. I will try to make one when I have one. I mean SD card. Switch to camera, camcorder settings, video settings, photos. So I took this one photo from like Pinterest for my wallpaper, and let me see if I can take another photo. Or if I can make a video. So this is the photo. Let me take one again. So I guess we just need to delete that. All right, gallery, there's just this video player, audio player, audio record. I guess we don't have anything playing yet. All right. Then we have tools. I don't know what this is. Power off, visibility. All right. Oh, that's Bluetooth. So we do have Bluetooth. It's called BT. Then we have the calculator, alarms, calendar, SIM, torch, wait, I didn't know we had games. Why didn't I see this before? So we have games as well. Oh my god, I didn't know that. All right, this is fun. So we do have games. All right. So we have just one game. Then we have block list, white list, auto call recording, battery saver as well, magic voice, All right, we have magic voice as well. King voice, what's that? Human voice. For keypad. Oh, so it's that. So basically what happens with this is when I get an incoming phone call, it says the number that, I'm getting a call from this number, and then it plays the ringtone. So we have human voice for the phone numbers, the contacts, and the incoming phone calls, and for I don't know. Anyway, so then we have settings, pilot, something. I don't even know what this is for. Security settings. Oh wait, I didn't set up a password yet, but so we can set up a phone password as well. And so we had these. There's no internet. Then we have file manager, photos and stuff. Internet doesn't work. This doesn't work. And then we're back to the beginning. And that's it. And I'll try to make the rest of the video soon again and show you more features.